Hello, scholars. Forgive me for being MIA. I was present in the morning, but then now I'm with 8E taking them to a drama thing for Swedish. So, I'm sorry. I missed you. All right, so here's what you're doing. Besides being perfect for your beloved sub, you are journaling. Just kidding. No time. Way too much to do. 2 chapters. No journal entry today. All right, then you're going to jot down vocab like usual, and then you're going to read these 2 chapters. So 43 minutes of reading total. Hopefully that means you won't have homework tonight. So don't be too chatty, and this will be a fast video. And then don't forget a little stretch break somewhere in there, because your teacher lady who is missing is 32 years old. You get a 32-second stretch break. Now, you see down here, your homework is to finish chapter 17 if you don't in class, in preparation for the mini quiz. Now, that's not the same as the vocab quiz. Mini quiz, it's like, did you understand? Chapters 15, 16, and 17. So you can't really study for it. You just read it, and I see how much you understood. Then your actual vocab quiz won't be until after autumn break. So if you study your vocab over during the break, you're good. Okay, so your only homework for tomorrow actually would be to wear a Halloween costume. Tomorrow. All right, let's do the vocab. So here's the pronunciation. Precaution. You take a precaution, by the way, in English. Perplexing. If you're perplexed, you're confused. Many of you probably know that word. Accomplice. It's like they're your buddy if you're committing a crime. So if you want to joke and use the word accomplice, it kind of means you're like criminals together. Accuracy, you probably know that word. Wily is like you're sneaky and clever. And dexterity. So, precaution, perplexing, accomplice, accuracy, wily, and dexterity. Dexterity, you are dexterous if you can do small things with your hands. You could also be dexterous with your feet, I suppose, if you're like hopping over things carefully. I believe in this chapter it's Foxface who shows great dexterity when she's avoiding some mines. All right, chapter 17, pronunciation. Remedy, debris, quiver, tentative, essential, proximity, and tantrum. You can use the word remedy instead of fix as a noun, not as a verb. No, you can use it. I'm going to remedy. We need to remedy the situation. I'm sorry, that can also be a verb. In the book today, it's a noun, though. That's why it says N here. Anyway, so if you say, instead of saying, oh, we need a fix for this problem, if you say, we need a remedy for this problem, it's slightly nicer. Okay, debris is not just skräp. Skräp is like trash, but debris is usually referring to the leftover crap from an explosion. Keep that in mind. Quiver, you have a quiver of arrows, usually on your back, but to shake is also to quiver. Has 2 meanings, just like vod and vod. You know, vod means what, but it also means your calf. Tentative, so it's like you're taking some tentative steps forward, careful steps forward, but it could also mean like preliminary, preliminar, as in, well, we have some tentative plans for Friday, but we're not sure if they end up being the actual plans. Essential, you might know that word. Proximity, that's pretty easy. It's like nearness, closeness. Your proximity to the door makes you feel comfortable in English class because of ease of escape, if you need to escape. The evil Miss Carlson. Tantrum, you have a tantrum. Like a 3-year-old kid often has tantrums, or a 2-year-old. They're like, wee. All right, anything else I need to tell you? I think not. Good luck. I hope you don't have homework. Oh, ask your beloved sub to pause the video to jot down the vocab, or just ask them to show directly from my website. Bye! See you tomorrow. Wear a costume.